burning like bridge. Y'all 16 in a clip, one in a chamber. 17 raw bullet with 17 bullets. My story is how we report.
Hey you all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. You already know where you're at. You're over on the channel Jamaica Is A Series, and today we will be going grocery shopping, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. We're at BJ's currently and we're doing our monthly haul, so we're just gonna take y'all along with us. If you're like me, then I know you enjoy grocery shopping. So yeah,
I don't, people. I don't like it, but I have to do it.
so please just stay tuned, stick with us. You know, y'all over here on your favorite channel, like, you gotta stick with it, right? So I'll see y'all in there.
We're off to the races, people, with our 3 carts.
So Shaz has one, Mommy has one, and I have one. So yeah, this is how we're gonna start. We don't usually have a way where we like, okay, this is what we're gonna pick up first or what we're gonna do.
No, we have things that we get every single month, so we normally get those. Plus, if we see things that pique our interest, we'll get those too.
Yeah, so
remember to mask up, people. COVID is real out there,
right? And so, as you guys can see, I'm clearly not the one. I just come here for my good looks. I don't be knowing what's going on when we come shopping, but I'm trying my best to, like, I can't multitask, so talking and trying to like walk around here is not as easy as it looks, but I'm trying for y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I've been recording this whole time, y'all, with matter in my eye. I don't want to think I'm nasty and just wake up. No, sir. I have allergies, and allergies be kicking my ass, so it makes my eye all watery and red, and then it goes and is, y'all know how matter farm. Right now, I'm trying to show y'all where we're at and what it do. Yeah, y'all see what's up with it? Alright, this is clearly the cereal aisle, okay? Y'all just seeing everything, and the whole aisle is filled with cereal. And then we have some Starbucks over here. Get your coffee at BJ's. There's a whole lot you can get at BJ's clearly. Breakfast essentials. Oh my god, fun fact, right? I used to love these. I used to get them all the time, especially when I was in college, because I wasn't eating the way I was supposed to. I still don't eat the way I'm supposed to. We got oatmeal, more cereal, Pop-Tarts, and yeah, but these, y'all, right here, Belvita, are also some of my faves. I've never tried the chocolate one, but most definitely the blueberry one. Get those. Like, if you're a snack type of person, or like you don't be knowing what to have as a snack, this is such a healthy alternative. It tastes bomb, just like breakfast essentials, like I was mentioning to y'all. Y'all can get those. Oh, Welch's fruit snacks. one of my faves. Love those. I never really get them, but anymore at least. Fruit roll up, stuff like that. The point of this whole thing is that there's a wide variety at BJ's and there's a lot you can get, and that is why this is our holy grail.
So people, this is our BJ haul for the month. So we have a whole lot of stuff that we have to unpack. As you can see, it's filling to the brim. Look at that people. Look at that. BJ, these are all we had to take out the waffles because we just wouldn't have space in the car. So we normally do that and we take all those, like the biscuits out the bag and the cookies, just to have space. And you can see these are all frozen stuff, all manner of stuff. Obviously, we're starting to pack stuff up. Well, hold on. See, there's stuff also in the fridge that she's packing away. So that's how it starts. This is how it starts, people. Look at that. This is how it goes. So people, this is the King Hawaiian bread that I love. It's my favorite bread, and so I normally get a pack for the month. This is our BJ's receipt, people. As you can see, it is, we spent over $1,400. This is for the month. It usually, before pandemic time, people, I swear, used to be about $800 to $850, and now these people are taking advantage of the people during this pandemic time.
All right, y'all, so I just want to say thank you. Well, we just want to say thank you for watching another video of
Jamaica Is A Series. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, people. Don't forget to share it as well, and come back same time next week. People may not tell you no lie. I'm upset with the BJ thing because people are going too hard out here in this pandemic time. I rip off the poor people then. So come back next week. What good people.